This is a TDW case history, natural gas line modification using the TDW STOPPLE train system. Austin, Texas, one of the fastest growing cities in the United States. The residents enjoy an enviable lifestyle sustained by clean industries and natural beauty. The citizens of Austin expect the local infrastructure to keep up with the city's explosive growth, but just don't do the work during rush hour. Sound familiar? When the natural gas utility needed to add an isolation valve to a 6-inch distribution line located near a major traffic intersection, an otherwise routine project became a logistical challenge. That's why the utility operator called in TDW services. The project was located on a pipeline right-of-way next to this very busy intersection. Consequently, the utility crew was allowed to close a single lane of traffic during a specified period after 9 a.m., and it had to be reopened by 4 in the afternoon. This project had to run efficiently and safely. One way to cut down on repair time is to minimize the number of tapping and stopple plugging operations required. The new TDW STOPPLE train system requires a single hot tap to yield a double block and bleed seal. This is achieved by inserting 2 plugging heads into the pipeline through a single fitting. Another advantage of the TDW STOPPLE train system is less equipment and less workspace is required at the job site compared to traditional tandem stopple procedure. That's an important consideration when you're working a major traffic intersection or other work sites where space is limited. Now watch as the key events of this isolation valve project unfold.
It's a 6-inch, 200 psi natural gas job in Austin, Texas. The purpose of the job is to insert a new valve into a 6-inch pipeline.
Tap completed and coupon recovered. The STOPPLE train plugging machine is installed on the sandwich tapping valve and lowered into sealing position.
The purpose of the STOPPLE train is to plug pipelines with a double block and bleed seal to provide improved safety for the operators and the technicians who are working on the pipeline. And now with the STOPPLE train we can use one fitting and have 2 seals. This is a very vast improvement. It's much cheaper and easier to install.
Once the STOPPLE train plugging head was set, a workable seal was achieved across the primary plugging head. Please note, product flow was completely stopped by the STOPPLE train secondary or leading plugging head. Any residual product between the 2 STOPPLE train heads was safely vented through a bleed port and 1-inch hose that terminated a safe distance from subsequent cold cutting and welding operation. This project demonstrated that TDW STOPPLE train system provides a safe, double seal through a single stopple fitting. Learn how TDW services can make the TDW STOPPLE train system work for you. Watch this cutaway demonstration by visiting this web address. For additional information or to locate the TDW STOPPLE train system sales contact in your area, visit www.tdwilliamson.com. The new STOPPLE train system, a quantum leap in pipeline plugging, safety, and reliability.